Hello, I'm Chris Evely, Director of Technical Development at KNSC. We have put together the following video to help you better understand our health and safety protocols for the initial return to training sessions. During the first of the three-phased approach to return to play, players will focus on individual skills and will not require opposition. This will ensure physical distance is kept between players throughout the session. Thank you for helping us to keep our players, coaches and staff healthy. We look forward to seeing your child back on the field soon. For further information on our return to training protocols, please check out our website www.knsc.ca or email a member of staff.